Where's your boss?
I don't have a boss. No one tells me what to do.
Select black overlay and delete the Capcut watermark. Then set ratio to 1:1. Then zoom black overlay. Then write a text as you want. Then change font to Rubik. Then set color of your font. Then go to Animation and select Expand Animation. Set the timer to max. Then go to Glow and follow my steps. Then export. Then delete the previous font. Then write a question mark sign. Then export. Then select Previous Overlay and merge both of them. Select Overlay and blend it to lighten. Then add keyframes and follow my steps. A quick preview. Then export. Then select your video and go to Overlay. Select your video you just exported. Then blend it to lighten. Then zoom it to perfect timing. And remove unnecessary part. Then go to Animation and select Fade Out. Set the timer to max. Hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching.